XPO Logistics Review, Honest User Experience and Website Breakdown. Shipping and logistics are complex, and XPO Logistics promises reliable solutions for freight, and supply chain management. I explored their services and website to share my honest experience. Most people assume large logistics companies are impersonal, but the surprising truth about XPO is that they combine scale with tailored service. The website is well organized, allowing customers to track shipments, schedule pickups, and access invoices efficiently. Booking a shipment is straightforward. I created an account, entered shipment details, and received instant pricing and estimated delivery times. Real-time tracking updates were accurate and detailed, providing peace of mind. XPO offers multiple services: truckload, last-mile delivery, and supply chain solutions. For businesses, their platform includes analytics and reporting tools, helping optimize shipping routes and reduce costs. Pricing is transparent. The rates vary based on distance, weight, and service level. Customer support is responsive, offering guidance for special shipments and troubleshooting issues. The only minor drawback is that some smaller regional shipments may require manual scheduling, but overall, the process is smooth and efficient. In conclusion, XPO Logistics provides reliable, user-friendly logistics solutions. With a robust website, real-time tracking, and scalable services, it's a strong option for businesses and individuals looking for dependable shipping and freight management.